Firstly, we're going to make the padlock. Here I use 2.5mm hook and pink yarn to make the padlock's body. Start with round 1. We're going to create a magic ring. After that, make chain 2. Crochet 14 single crochet into the magic ring. One, we're going to mark this very first stitch of the round. Continue crocheting into the magic ring the rest 13 double crochet. 2, 3, 14. After finishing crocheting 14 double crochet, pull the tail tightly to close the magic ring. Finished making the round 1, going to round 2. Remove the stitch marker. Crochet a slip stitch into the first stitch. After that, make chain 2. Crochet 1 double crochet into the first stitch that we've just crocheted the slip stitch. Mark the first chain. Crochet into the second stitch 1 treble crochet, but includes 2 treble crochet in 1 stitch. One, 2. Crochet 1 double crochet increase into the third stitch. Crochet 1/2 double crochet increase into the fourth stitch. Crochet into the 5th stitch 1 increase. For the next 2 stitches, crochet 1 single crochet into each stitch. Chain 2. Continue crochet 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches. Crochet 1 increase into the 10th stitch. Crochet 1 half double crochet increase into the 11th stitch. Crochet 1 double crochet increase into the 12th stitch. Crochet 1 treble crochet increase into the 13th stitch. In the last stitch, crochet 1 double crochet. Make chain 2. Finally, still in the last stitch, crochet a slip stitch. So here we've just finished making the round 2. Now let's go into round 3. Remove the stitch marker. For this round, we're going to crochet into the back loops only. Crochet 1 single crochet into the first loop. Crochet 1 single crochet into the second loop. In the third loop, also crochet 1 single crochet. For this round, we're going to repeat crocheting 1 single crochet into each back loop until the end of the round. After finishing this round, we have a total of 24 stitches. This is the end of the round 3. Before starting the round 4, we're going to join rounds with a slip stitch. and then make chain 1. For the round 4, firstly, crochet 1 single crochet into the stitch you've just made the slip stitch. In this round, we're going to crochet 1 single crochet into every stitch. After finishing the round, we have a total of 24 stitches. This is the last round of the first piece, so we're going to fasten off and cut the yarn. Remember to leave a long tail for sewing later. We've finished making a piece of the padlock body. Make another piece the same, but just make until the end of the round 2. Crochet slip stitch into this last stitch to fasten off. Cut the yarn and hide the tail. We don't have to leave a long tail here. We've got the second piece. Now we're going to sew these pieces together, like this. For the second piece, we just sew into the back loops. This is the first loop of the second piece. We're going to connect with the first stitch of the first piece, and then sew them together. Repeat this, the second stitch with the second loop. The third stitch with the third loop. We're going to repeat this, and remember to stuff. After stuffing and sewing the rest, we've got the padlock body like this. Next, use gray yarn to make the shackle. For round 1, create a magic ring. We're going to leave a long tail for sewing later. Crochet 4 single crochet into the magic ring. Pull the yarn tail to close the magic ring. Before making round 2, we're going to join rounds with slip stitch and chain 1. Flip the tail into the right side. From the round 2 to 15, we're going to crochet 1 single crochet into each stitch. After finishing each round, we have 4 stitches in total. This is how it looks like when we've just finished making the round 15. Fasten off, leave a long tail for sewing, and cut the yarn. Finished making the shackle. We're going to sew the shackle in the lock body like this. Finished making the padlock. Next, we're going to use pink yarn to make the key. Make chain 2. We're going to skip the first chain. Start the second chain from your hook and crochet the following stitches into that chain. 1 single crochet. We're going to mark the first stitch here with a stitch marker. One half double crochet. Two double crochet. Chain 1. After that, crochet 1 slip stitch still into the chain. Make chain 1. Still into the previous chain, crochet 2 double crochet. One half double crochet. And 1 single crochet. This is the end of the round 1. Before making row 2, we're going to change to gray yarn. For the round 2, crochet 1 slip stitch into the first stitch. Here we've got a heart like this. Make chain 8. We're going to skip the first chain. Start at the second chain from your hook. Crochet 1 slip stitch. Crochet 1 slip stitch into the next chain. We're going to mark the next chain here. Make chain 2. We're going to skip the first chain. Crochet into the second chain from your hook 1 slip stitch. Continue crochet 1 slip stitch into the marked chain. For the rest 4 stitches, crochet 1 slip stitch into each chain. Finally, crochet 1 slip stitch into the very first stitch to fasten off. After that, cut the yarn and hide the yarn tails. This is how it looks like when being finished. You can add a keychain on them to use as couple keychains with your partner.